welcome back to the channel. Your girl is back. We're getting into a closure quick weave install with these beautiful bundles that I received from BeautyForever. I haven't done a closure quick weave in so long. I think the last time I did it, I might have been in high school. We're getting into it today. I do want me a little cute bang moment, but nothing too like crazy until I want to take it there. All the information to BeautyForever down below in the description box. Don't miss out on the sales. You guys know the sales are going crazy because of the holidays. Today I am going to be using a fishnet wig cap. That's a little bit different. New set of wig caps. So you're gonna need you a good old bonding glue. I love to use the Salon Pro. Some clips just to like separate your hair. I do have some protective shield. I have 4 24-inch bundles from BeautyForever in their silky straight texture. And I did dye the hair jet black, so it's super pretty. The ends are really nice. I don't see any split ends, and I just know this is about to turn out so good. Alright girlies, so we starting off with a braided foundation underneath this quick weave. My scalp was screaming grease me up, so I had to go in with my Carol's Daughter Honey Mimosa pomade, and that makes sure to keep my hair moisturized really nice underneath this quick weave because it's necessary, because we're going in with a closure. We having a couple of little caps going on, and then I take my clear protective shield on my hairline and just to make sure this is not going to ravel up on me once we cut this off. Not every time do I do this, but the times that I do is because I'm making sure that this is going to last for a very long time. And then I'm going to let that air dry before I go in with sewing the closure down. Now I'm going to pull out the closure. I didn't bleach the knots because I wanted to see how realistic it would look without having to do that. I didn't feel like it was necessary because I'm going for a more bang look. Once I have the closure sewed down, I am going to just go ahead and remove that extra lace, and I am going to remove a little bit more than just the lace because I was like, you know, I'm just doing bangs and I really don't need all of that extra closure. So I like to secure it one more time, and you want to make sure that this is giving flat. To be honest with you, I did a really good job because I didn't even need to sew the back down. I didn't want to commit to that part because I felt like, you know, just in case I needed to, like, you know, make some edits to it. But I really did love the result. Once you get that closure down, girl, it's literally the same repetitive step. You just want to measure your tracks and lay it flat onto your wig cap. This step is pretty repetitive, but we did make it to the top. You just want to make sure that you close up the top really nice. And I do like to work with smaller pieces at the top. So once we have that complete, I'm just going to go ahead and start styling. Alright girlies, so I'm taking my favorite hot tool, my T3 curling iron. I got mine from Ulta if you guys are interested. They should have a sale on them now since, you know, we're in the holidays. So take advantage. And I'm going to start layering the hair up. I didn't go in to remove that much of the density out in the closure because I felt like I needed to make sure that the density all around just made sense. So I'm making sure to layer this hair so I can have that body that I'm looking for. And then we're going to cut into this fringe. You guys, you want to start real calm with this part. You don't want to go too crazy because once you commit get to that cut, you got to stick with it. So just take your time. And I will have everything linked down in the description box to my exact style that I went for this quick weave. So make sure you guys check that out. But just look at how gorgeous this hair is. This is some straight hair. I did dye the hair jet black, and you can see that it has a nice natural wave in the hair, which is going to help make your curls last a lot longer. When this hair did fall, you guys, I was obsessed with the style more because it just gave a little bit more effortless. You know, that's my type of look. But for the sake of this video, I really wanted to do like a wolf inspired styles. I loved how it came out, but let's be honest, if I kept the clips at the ends of the curls and let the hair cool down completely, you guys know that this style would have went crazy. So I probably will end up doing that look for the holidays, just to kind of go big, because I have this really cute furry top for New Year, and I think that that type of look will look really, really nice paired with that top. But I'm gonna let y'all vibe out while I finish curling up the hair. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to BeautyForever for the quality. The hair was amazing. It's always amazing from BeautyForever, and they have amazing deals going on quite often. So make sure you take advantage. Don't miss out on the sales. But I love you guys so much. Let me know if you guys love this style, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all. She never bored. There's so much shit we can do. You're free to say whatever, baby, if you asking me. No limit when I'm in it, got a masterpiece. I'm hoping I don't have a fast release. Got me focused like I'm out here trying to get my master seat. Going up the east side. Girl, I'm from the east side. Girl, you on my best side.